Hey Canva lovers, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to use magic insights in Canva Sheets, step by step. And trust me, it's going to blow your mind how easy and smart this tool is. So I've got a Canva sheet open here that tracks a TikTok ads campaign selling 4 different digital products. The table includes everything: impressions, clicks, orders, delivered, and even the total earnings for each product. Now here's where the magic happens. Literally. We're going to use magic insights powered by Canva AI to instantly get smart analysis from our data. First, I select the full table, then head over to the Actions tab and choose Magic Insights. Once that panel pops up, Canva asks for a question you want answered. I typed in, which product has the highest earnings and does it align with the product that has the most orders? Then I hit Generate. Give it a second, and boom. Canva AI delivers a clear answer. It told me exactly which product had the most orders. Spoiler, it was the #growth planner, and compared earnings across all 4 products. I even got charts that break it all down visually. Orders per product, earnings per product, you name it. But here's the best part. You can copy the formula behind the answer and paste it directly into your sheet. You can also drag and drop the charts right into your table for instant visuals. How cool is that? This is such a game changer. Whether you're doing marketing, managing a small business, or just love data made easy. I hope this tutorial was helpful and super easy to follow. If it was, let me know in the comments what Canva feature you want me to cover next. And of course, like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.